back to the channel. So today we have a build challenge for ourselves. Miss Mull Outdoors is here. She's not looking yet. So we need to build a dolly or a rack for the Jeep doors so we can put them on there and wheel them around. But the challenge is going to be using only scrap lumber that you see here. So got some leftover 2x10s, 2x12s from a deck project that I did. And yeah, we're gonna have to rip those down into 2x and see if we can't build a functioning cart that'll hold the weight of the JK doors. Remember, they're all steel doors, so we got to keep that in mind. But let's get started. Had to take a quick break and let the batteries charge and the tools. Hadn't charged them in a while, so definitely ran them down. I'm trying to rip this 2x12. Needed a couple more 2x4s, and I think we're actually going to have enough scrap material to finish this project, so pretty excited about that.